Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeyemi Ogunaike, and in this video I'm going to talk about exponential. So that's like the way you say what is 2 raised to power 3, what is 5 raised to power 2, all those kind of things where we do in our usual mathematics. I'm going to be showing you here in JavaScript how you can do 3 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 5, things like that. So it's not too far from the things we've done before, like the way my previous video on add two numbers, you create a function. Even my video on um, um, find the largest number, you also create a function because we need a function. We need a function so that we can tell our program what to do. It's like a function is a step of instructions. We want this thing to do this way, we want this thing to do that way, so we need a function. So enough talk. So I'll just say let's, or no, sorry, not let's, const what's the name of my function? I don't know. You can name your function anything so far it relates to what you want to do. So me, I'll just like expo number or expo numbers, something like that. This is a very bad way of writing a function. I put capital letter, I meant to put it like this. So expo number, uh, arrow function. So this is an arrow function. So now what do I want in my logic, or inside my function? That which is the logic anyway. So I will just let me just say exponential, or let me just write it in full. expo Exponential. Guys, I forgot something. Can you guess? I forgot to do something. I forgot to put in what I need to actually do the raised to power. I need numbers to do raised to power. That's the parameter, and I forgot to put the parameter. So I can say x. I can put x, y. I can be like this. Are like my parameters. So if I want to do the raised to power, the x, which is the first number here, or this is the first variable here, I can just say x raised to power y, which is it. So x. So this is how you do raised to power. This is how you do raised to power in JavaScript. You do like x, then star star. So it's like multiply raised to power. That star star is like raised to power. So you do like x raised to power y. So now let me now declare. Let me now. Sorry, I've not even returned this statement. Return exponential. Right. So let me now declare the variable. Let me now declare what is x and y. So let's say x is 4. Let's just assume x is 4. Let's also assume y is let's assume y is 3. Let's assume y is 3. So this is more like saying 4 raised to power 3. That kind of a thing. It's more like saying 4 raised to power 3. So let's now do const, not too far from the things we've done before. Const, what do I name this thing? What do I name this guy? Maybe let me just say total exponential number equals to the function. I named it as expo numbers. Then my parameters inside, and that's basically it. I've already raised the power. I've already done 4 raised to power 3. So I just want to check my console to see if I have really done 4 raised to power 3, and I'll just check my console now. So I'll put in the variable total exponential. So 4 raised to power 3 has already been done already. So I'm going to check in my console now. I click on this guy. I go live. I check in inspect. I check in console, and there we have it. 4 raised to power 3 is 64. And if you want to confirm, I can easily just go through Google and just be like, what is 4 raised to power 3? And there we have it. See, 64. So it's not too far from what we said. So that's just about it, guys. So you might okay, you want to check something again. You can also say 7 raised to power, let's say 7 raised to power 5, just to give a different. You see, this is 7 raised to power 5. If I check 7 raised to power 5, I'm going to get the same thing, to power 5. So if I just click on this search, I'm going to get the same thing. You see, there we have it. So there's another way we can do this. Instead of you like writing it directly like this, 7 raised to power 5, this kind of thing. There's something I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys what they call math.pow. Math.pow. So math.pow is a way of doing raised to power. So I might not necessarily need to write this guy. So I'll just comment this so that you still see what I am doing. But there's another way you can do raised to power. You just do math.power. So I'll just do let me just say let exponential equals to math.power. So this is another way of this is another way of doing raised to power. So I'll just put the variables there, x, y, and it has already done the raised to power for me. And I can show you we'll still get the same answer. See, I would even refresh. I would refresh and we're still getting the same answer. So that is simply how you can this is simply how you can do raised to power. Either you use math.power or you use this directly, but it's preferable to it depends on you anyway. Depends on you. But if you do math.power is very fast. Depends on you. So that's just basically how. And math, like, it's a class. It's an object. Math is an object, as you can see, an intrinsic object that provides basic mathematics functionality and constant. It's an object, and this power is a method. So just over this, you see that this object is calling this method to perform this function. That's 7 raised to power 5. Okay, let me take that again. This math is an object, and this object is calling this method pow to do this for us, to perform this function for us, 7 raised to power 5. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please remember to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit this subscribe button, like button, and if you have another method that I didn't put and you like to share your idea, please feel free to comment that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.